searched Nostradamus's 942 prophecies for quatrains containing both the words city and fire, resulting in 11 hits. They stuck them onto 2 different questionnaires, one asking if Nostradamus had predicted 9/11, the other the Blitz. Then Jaffa was off to the dorms.
Essentially, I walked around all of campus, knocking on people's doors.
These were all written by Nostradamus in 1555.
One for you.
Take your time whenever you're done.
Some had heard of Nostradamus, some had never heard of him.
No.
Never heard of him before. Earth-shaking fire from the center of the earth will cause tremors around the new city. Do you guys have 2 minutes to take a quick survey?
Sure.
2 great rocks will war for a long time. Then Arethusa will redden a new river.
I think maybe.
That's a maybe?
Maybe.
Okay.
What's brilliant about what Nostradamus is doing is he's being very concrete. He's painting a picture of what's going on. So if I imagine the 2 great rocks warring for a long time, I can imagine the Twin Towers of the World Trade Center. It's like, wow, Nostradamus nailed it. They're the 2 great rocks. On the other hand, if I'm picturing the London Blitz, the 2 great rocks are still calling up a visual image, but instead it's the army of Great Britain and the army of Germany facing off against the English Channel.
So, did Nostradamus predict the 9/11 attacks?
Sure enough, about a third of the time people said, yeah, he did.
He came close.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How about the Blitz?
Sure enough, they said, wow, you know, I think he did predict the London Blitz.
Here again, about 30% said yes. Even after Heath and Jaffa scrambled Nostradamus's words, they continued to have the same prophesying effect.
That's a sign, again, of his abilities as a poet. If you can apply it at one point in time and say, oh, he nailed this event, but then it applies at another point in time and you say, oh, he's nailed this event, that's great poetry. Not great prophecy.
Heath's 3-step program for becoming the next Nostradamus?
One is to write a lot. You know, start writing today, write 1 a day for the next 3 years. Focus on the negative.